Projek ini merupakan yang terbesar yang pernah dikendalikan oleh JKR, iaitu penggantian 48 buah lift di rumah kediaman anggota TLDM Lumut.
This video shows the dismantling process of lift that involved the dismantling of the lift controller and cable, dismantling of the wire rope, and dismantling of the car cage and the installation of the new lift. These videos were taken with full safety precautions. All the rules as procedures were followed that to ensure no damage is caused to the existing structure during the dismantling and installation process.